Hey, so if your Google form isn't sending email notifications when someone submits a response, yeah, that can be a big problem, especially if you're waiting on important data. But don't worry, this is usually easy to fix. I'll walk you through it step by step. So let's get into it. First, open your form and go to the Responses tab. Then click the three dots menu and make sure email notifications are turned on. If it's not enabled, just turn it on. Yeah, this is the most common reason you're not getting emails. Next, check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes, Google Forms emails can end up there. Make sure you're checking the correct email account. If you have multiple Google accounts, notifications might be going to another inbox. If you've set up email filters, they might be hiding or redirecting notifications. If you're using add-ons for notifications like email automation tools, make sure they're set up correctly. You can also enable notifications from the linked Google Sheet for extra reliability. Now, submit a test response and check if you receive the email notification. And yeah, sometimes Google services might be delayed or down. Check their status page if the issue continues. So yeah, that's how you fix Google Forms not sending email notifications. One of these steps should get your alerts working again. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.